How is a choropleth map different from a dot density map? Imagine you're looking at a big map and trying to understand how data varies across different places. Two common ways to show this data are choropleth maps and dot density maps. They might seem similar at first, but they actually work very differently. Let's explore how each one shows information and what makes them unique. A choropleth map uses colors or shades to representing data values in specific areas like states, counties, or neighborhoods. Each area is filled with a color that shows a certain number or rate, such as how many people live there or average income. Darker or lighter colors help you see patterns quickly. For example, a dark green might mean high population density, while a light green shows lower density. These maps are good for comparing regions and spotting trends over large areas. On the other hand, a dot density map uses dots to show how many units of something are in a place. Each dot stands for a certain number, like 10 people or 10 cases of a disease. The dots are spread out randomly within the boundaries of the area. If an area has many dots, it means there are more of whatever you are counting. If there are fewer dots, then less of that thing is present. This type of map helps you see where things are concentrated and how they spread out within a region. The main difference is how they show data. Choropleth maps fill entire areas with colors based on data values, giving a smooth look that makes it easy to compare regions. Dot density maps, however, show individual units with dots, giving a more detailed picture of distribution within areas. Choropleth maps are often used for data like rates or averages, while dot maps are better for showing raw counts or quantities. Another difference is how they help us understand data. Choropleth maps are great for seeing broad patterns and differences between regions, but they can sometimes be misleading if areas are very different in size or shape. Dot density maps show exactly where data points are located, making it easier to see clusters or concentrations. However, they can be tricky to interpret if there are many dots or if the dots are spread out unevenly. Using both maps together can make learning about geography more fun and clear. For example, you could use a choropleth map to show income levels across states and a dot density map to display population distribution within those states. This way, students can see both how data compares between regions and how it is spread within each area. Both tools help make data visualization easier and more interesting for students learning about the world around them.